cats have been fighting for a long time and I haven't... What is it? Now it's gone too far. A while ago I made beds for them to sleep in, but now someone has peed in one of the beds. That's not very kind.
Did you pee in the bed? Don't play. Don't play this off.
And now I'm the one to clean up. But I'm not sure. Maybe it's Pärlan.
Did you pee in the bed? Did you pee in the bed, Safira? That's why you sleep on a chair now. Because you peed in your bed. Or was it someone else that peed in your bed?
Today I'm heading south on a mission in this old car. And it's leaking gasoline. But I will do the checks I know how to do. Oil, fine, I think. There is cooling liquid. There's brake fluid. There is no spolarvätska on the window. So that I would have to fill sometime. But do you get this travel fever? Do you call it that in English? In Swedish we say travel fever. Oh, just go. Just do it. Just been driving a few kilometers, but it's going good so far. I wonder if it's gonna continue leaking gasoline and if I'm going to run out of gas pretty fast. This car is not very good to stand in a car jam with because it consumes as much gas as if I was driving full speed. It's quite annoying, but I'm really bad at planning when to go. I just realized I made a terrible mistake recording a lot without sound. I have some troubles with the car. The exhaust pipe is like hanging loose, and I think it's like banging around, and it sounds very bad when you drive. I'm gonna try to fix it with this. Maybe it has to cool down a bit first, but that's another car that really sounds bad. Hopefully I can just make it a bit more sturdy so it doesn't sound awful and fall off the car when I'm driving. At least it's a beautiful day. It's worse when it's also raining and terrible weather. But it's my life when I have this, when I travel in this old car. It's like it's always happen. Everything that can happen is going to happen.
The exhaust pipe is like hanging. It's got nothing.
The car literally falls apart when touching it, so... And I think I got something in my mouth. Anyways, I will try to hope for the best. What was that sound? It sounded really, really, really weird. What should I do if it's just breaking down completely? I did test this car, so it's street legal, but you know, It sounds like something is bouncing around back there. If I continue driving, but slowly maybe. The stress. I mean, I want my vlog to be exciting and all, but it's just a bit too exciting sometimes because everything always goes wrong. But welcome to my channel. At least the engine works, knock on wood. And I have a tent. I should not get caught on a speeding camera with my vlogging camera. That's not good. I've been driving for a while and the sound continues. It sounds not very good, but I just want to come all the way to my family's summer house. If I try to figure out what's wrong with this, it could take a long time. I'm glad I didn't bring the cats. They wouldn't like the noise and the adventure. I'm quite used to adventure. I'm also quite tired of this kind of adventure that costs a lot of money. That's a really weird name. It's like a chicken farm arena. I have to eat something. I'm starved. Let's see if there is some gluten-free burger. I made it. I'll just get my things in the car and then go to bed. Thanks for watching my channel. Over and out from planet Earth.